Hi, Neil here from Toolstop TV, and I'm here at Bosch's headquarters in Denham. I want to show you this GCM12SD. It's a compound mitre saw. It's a 12-inch blade, and I'm going to get Eric Strowley from Bosch to demonstrate exactly what it will do for us.
Hello again. Yes, this is a 12-inch sliding mitre saw, twin bevel. I think before I make a cut, I'll just go through some of the key features on the tool. Let's place that behind me for a moment. The back fence here is extendable. That's quite common on this type of tool. So we have easily adjustable back fence extensions for those longer work pieces. We also uniquely have built-in extensions for supporting material. Typically these are push-in and clamp in place affairs, but this particular product and its 10-inch counterpart, the GCM12SD, have these built-in material supports. Another unique feature on this, people who want to make the tool bevel either to the right or the left would typically, on a similar saw from another brand, they would reach to the back of the tool to loosen a clamp, but we now have a front release lever, so up front controls if you like. So to release the bevel lock, you simply lift this lever upwards and straight away the product will bevel over this way. Or if you want to bevel to the right, you can release the detent on the front here so that the product goes over to the right for the right hand bevel. Okay, so that's quite unique. You can obviously select the angle that you want and then push this lever down and it remains firmly at that angle. I'll just put it back to 0 again and lock it down, make it safe. Usual mitre adjustment on the front here with very solid detents, very easy to read scale, which is actually raised in the aluminium casting, so it's not a scale that's painted. You'll find on some other products which will actually scratch and wear off. We've got a very easy and easy to read and rugged scale on there. For the angles, it is possible to disable the detents if you're working at an unusual angle which is close to one of the major popular detents. You can simply pull the lever here and push this tab forward, and this then gives you an infinite adjustment on the mitre angles, which of course can be locked in place with this knob and the angle that you require really. Okay, and then just pulling the lever again and from underneath will release that and allow it to work back normally. Okay, so upfront controls, absolute unique in the marketplace, means you don't have to drape yourself over the machine to make these adjustments. Also, you'll notice with this rather unusual handle configuration here, some people prefer a handle which is east-west. It's more or less like a stirrup handle. That's common on some of our competitor tools, and it's quite a comfortable grip, especially just for trenching work or just straightforward chopping material to length. Others will prefer a handle which is more like the back of a drill, and so we're offering now our customers with this unique solution here 4 possible handle positions. To make an adjustment of the handle position, you lift the stirrup on the top there, okay, the clamp, and again a secondary safety device is this red bar which is pulled forward, and then you can turn the handle into an alternative position. Close it again for safety, and you're ready to go. Because of this unusual handle arrangement here, it is necessary to make special arrangements for the release lever. This is mandatory. The lever you need to press to allow you to plunge the blade into the material, and so we're actually activating this now with electrical solenoids. So you have to press the button here or here on the handle. So if I put the handle back to the original position, you can maybe see that a little bit better. So to bring the machine down, whether you're right or left-handed, it makes no difference. You just press with your thumb the convenient button and you can bring the saw down and make the cut. It's electrically operated release. Obviously there is a lever here which can be operated manually with the machine unplugged, of course, to allow you to maintain the saw and change the blade in the usual way. Okay, so I think we're ready to make a cut. We can get an old piece of fence post here and give you an idea of the cut capacity. We've got a cut capacity here of 305 millimetres on the slide by 110. It's a 12-inch blade, as I say, tungsten carbide tipped, of course, so it's good at rip and cross-cutting. So yeah, we're ready to go. Just fire it up and make a cut. So it makes quick work of this post, no problem at all.